Hello guys, again back to the ambient lighting coding which I wanted to talk about. So the first thing you need to know, see, this is the key. We can even customize your key for this kind of AMG badging if you want to keep your car in different shape. You can do that. You can add the Burmester speakers if you wanted, the Burmester sound space systems. We can do that for you, not a big deal. So now the thing comes is the ambient light. So we can even do this coding for you, the AMG logo or Maybach logo or Mercedes Benz, whatever thing you want, we can do the startup animation for you. So we'll be talking today about the ambient light. See, this is if you see properly, first thing I want to tell is, we in this particular car, let me turn the image. Okay, now if you see clearly, if you see the C300D, which doesn't have ambient lighting for multicolors or climate control colors or those settings, you can get it activated for normal C class, which is there, which is having 64-bit ambient color but doesn't have the multicolor function like this, which I was talking about. So you'll be having, without this, you'll be having only this much, and your brightness will not be here, it will be just to 8 or something. So we can do this coding for you if you want. So what you can do here is, for example, the multicolor, you can enable it. Okay, once you enable the multicolor, you can do two things. For your welcome lights, it's already activated. I can give one more option here as welcome light, but I didn't put it because as you know, I want to keep my welcome lights as customized. So what I do is, I go here and change the color to whichever color I want, and I press it. After pressing this, I just go to the multicolor and I can go to the fire dawn. Okay, now let's see. If I go to the fire dawn lights up. Okay, you can see. If I go to the blue, dawn blue activates. Okay, it's in multicolor which you wanted to change, sunny yellow, jungle green. It works. Overall it works. It's just up to your coding what you wanted. So the color flash also works, but it takes as usual same time, for which the color works. Color mix also works, like all colors will be mixing. So you have that two effects, you can get the two effects also now, that is possible. So yeah, pretty much you can use the dawn blue whichever you wanted. Like you have that, see, the purple effect and the blue effect, which works. I mean, you can use it whichever you want. We can do the coding, and also your coding, if you do the coding, this particular thing is there, this light, if you see properly, if you press this, the lights switch off. Okay, the ambient lights completely switch off. So it's coded to your C300D in a proper way, which I want to tell. And if you again go there and switch this on, all lights turn back on. So that's the thing which I want to talk about. And the climate which I was talking about, you can see I press blue, it changes to blue. When I press it red, it goes red. When I press blue, it blues. So that much, guys. If you want this ambient light coding, I mean the multicolor with the climate control and welcome lights, happy to help you guys. Just let me know. we can do the coding for you if you're in Bangalore. That's all, guys. Have a great day.